How to hide followings and followers list on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. So, without any further ado, let's move into the video. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel, this really helps a lot. So first of all, open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, go to the settings or profiles option that is located down below. Open the profile option that is located down below and then go to these three lines that are located up above. As you go to these three lines, go to settings option. As you go to settings option, in the settings option go to privacy option. And as you have opened the privacy option, there will be an option of private account. So if you wish to hide your followings and followers list, please turn your account to private account. So this is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and also like the video. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Thank you.